Now, the wipes I use to remove my makeup are these Johnson's face care wipes. They smell absolutely amazing. But I will say, if you've got really oily skin, you're then going to have to go over with like a micellar water afterwards, because it leaves like a lot of moisturing properties on your skin. Okay, so I'm back to no foundation, and I'm going to go straight in again with the moisturiser. You can hear little noises, it's Charlie playing in the background. When you're a mum, you've got to take the time you can get to film a video. Now, I hate the cakey feeling. I hate feeling like I've got loads and loads of layers of makeup on my face. I don't know if you guys are the same, but I tend to use like quite light products, so the moisturiser, it just literally soaks into your skin. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything. I'm going to use the all-time favourite, literally everyone has this favourite, the Pore Professional by Benefit. It is just amazing. It is light, it is silky, it is running out. Luckily Matt bought me some for Christmas this year. So I'm going to focus in on my T-zone, but I'm also just going to put it everywhere. It's literally just like applying silk to your face, it's lush. And see how it just goes on really flawlessly and you can't see that there's anything there. Okay, so whilst that's settling in, I'm going to be doing a kind of pink smoky eye today. For if I was going out, this is the Clinique Lid Smoothie in the colour Pink Go Biloba. It's number 7, it's by Clinique. This tube here has lasted me for years. I got married back in 2013, so it's like 5 years. And it's absolutely insane. So I'm going to put a little bit like this on my sponge and just dab my lids here and here and just smooth it across. Really easy, goes on really smooth and really creaseless. If I was doing this in the mirror, it'd be a lot easier. I always have a spare packet of cotton buds just to like neaten up around my eye, because I'm quite sloppy and I make a mess. Especially if you've been drinking a few before. You know what it's like, don't sit there and pretend. Okay, so I've got the Big Sexy Eye Kit by Benefit. Tin looks like this. And you've got some really pretty shimmery eyeshadows. So I'm going to go straight in with the same brush to the pink. I just pat the powder over the smoothie. This is the Rimmel London in the colour Piccadilly Circus. So just before I use the pink, I'm going to use a transition colour. Don't even know what that means. I heard it on James Charles' video, thought it was quite fancy. Easy on the Eye by 17. They're a really cheap brand, doesn't cost a lot of money. I'm going to be using this colour here because it's just to literally go all over your lids and just kind of smooth it out. Similar colour to your skin, just, you know. Okay, so here's the tricky bit. I'm going to go in with the brown first. So I'm just going to pat gently in like a little C here. And then blend. And just keep that going. You can be fancy and like put a piece of paper here and then just like blend, but I don't tend to do that because I'm really lazy. If you go in too heavy to begin with, it kind of makes you look like a panda, so you've got to be really careful. And just literally just staying in that socket and not being tempted to move over. If I find that the eyeshadow's gone a little bit too extreme, I mean that's not too bad. If I find it a little bit too dark, I can then go back in with this powder here and just sort of like go over it and blend the two. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean my brush off on my hand because I'm really classy like that, and just then go up at the top and just blend the two. To get like quite a seamless. Okay. This one's actually got like a little bit of a pink in it with a shimmer, so I'm just going to go in a little bit just to top up the corner there. Okay, so next I'm going to go with the pink. I'm just going to dust off the same brush and go in with the pink. This is highly pigmented, so you've got to be really careful. And just again pressing in and going about halfway. Dust off your brush. Come on camera, focus. Don't let me down. It's got a white one as well, and some people just pop like a little bit just in the corner. Okay, so as you can see, I've now got the colour blended. I'm just going to sharpen my eyeliner. Can I find my liquid one? No, because the kids have probably been using it to colour in. And I'm just going to go along here. This would, of course, be so much easier with a liquid. Now, because I've got quite a hooded eye, I tend to not go very heavy. I find that that's enough. I don't need to go too heavy, but you can see the difference between the two anyway. Does anyone else find the second eye is always more difficult to do because you made your vision really blurry doing the first one? And then I'm going to do my waterline here by dropping the lid down. Like, do I know how to do a cat eye? No, I don't. Am I going to attempt one? No, I'm not. My friend Abby's amazing, but I'm not. As you can see, it gives it more definition. I'm going to go back in with my mascara and just top it up. The thing I like about this wand is it's shaped so you can really curl them up. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the Benefit Boing. This is an airbrush concealer, just dabbing it on my spots and any kind of blemishes. Okay, so this is a bit where it gets really cool. I'm going to use the Dream Matte Mousse by Maybelline. This is in light porcelain. This has got a kabuki brush. You can buy them anywhere and they are so good for applying foundation. This is the mousse. As you can see, it looks very light. So I'm just going to work it in here like this.
Mum.
Hi, Charlie. That's makeup. So I'm just going to literally go round like this. I love this foundation. And I'm also going to put a highlighter under in a minute. I'm going to do half my face so you can see the difference. So it just gets rid of like this little like redness that I've got and just gives you like a really clear canvas. It's just so seamless and it's so quick and easy to do. And I love it because it doesn't feel like you're wearing anything. Again, it's just such a light foundation. Now this is just using daylight. I haven't got any like fancy cameras on or anything. And you can see it's just really natural looking. So I had the Hoola light and I'm going to go for the regular Hoola. I'm so glad they brought out the Hoola light because I found this one way too dark for like regular day to day. So the box looks like this. You guys have probably all seen it. I'm going to use this thin brush here. It's just a little bit easier to the product where you want. And because it's quite dark, I'm going to be really careful not to put too much on. Oops, like that. Let's just blend it away. See, even though I went a bit heavy the first time, when you actually look at it, it's not that dark. You've got to be so careful to get like the proper bronzer for your skin, otherwise you're just going to look really, really orange. Now, depending on how many drinks you've had, depends on like how heavy you've gone with your makeup. Again, I'm going to go back in with the blush. Just kind of pinking it up a bit and make it not look so brown. Now my friend Abby swears by highlight and I haven't actually bought myself a decent one yet, but I have got this. It was literally just from like Poundland. It was just amazing. Next I'm going to use the Dream Brightening Booster in the shade White. This is by Maybelline. I'm just going to go under here just to hide the fact that I've got kids. and it just kind of like brightens up your eye area a bit. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Double the Lip They're Real lipstick. This is a double the colour. You can see at the top it's like a lip liner, and then at the bottom there's a colour there. Before I do that though, I'm going to try and use the Maybelline Colour Sensual lip liner. It gives you a really good shape. I never used to use lip liner before. Amazing. Now, when I'm going out, I don't like a matte lip. I actually like it to be quite shiny. So I use the Oh My Gloss Rimmel London lip gloss. I love it. It's so smooth to apply and it's not sticky. You can also use it by itself. So yeah, this is my go-to going out look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to me for free for more videos, and leave me comments down below of what you'd like to see next week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies!